Hello everyone, it's me, NYSEinstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange inside Wirtschaft, the Einstein of Wall Street. The end of the day's trading here on July 12th on a Friday, and there is plenty of green on the screen. This market closed at the high. We've got a record in the S&P, a record in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at 27,332 points, up 243 points. That is a record. That is record breaking. The Russell up 12 handles, S&P up 14 handles, closing at 3,013.77. Once again, a record close. We are off to the races. What is going on? I would think that today could have been a little bit of a short squeeze. Yesterday we all broke all records, breaking through 3,000 in the S&P and breaking through 27,000 in the Dow. These are sort of our monumental levels. These are thresholds that you would think would be sort of time to pause and consolidate, but in fact not. We thought that there would be a little bit of a pullback after yesterday. The only anxiety that you have is probably about a tariff deal and whatever's going on coming out of Washington. The fuel on the fire is obviously the lowering of interest rates that's coming in the next few weeks. All that being said, we've got one foot on the gas, one a little bit on the brake, but the gas is obviously winning this conversation. And we came in today, I believe the market opened up about 50 or 60 points, and there was a question whether we would have a pullback at these levels, whether people would be putting on shorts, and what the market would do when we reach these monumental thresholds. Well, all that being said, this market continued to move higher. Nothing negative came out. I believe there was a bit of a short cover. I believe that there's just fuel on the fire. I believe the fact that we are in fact lowering interest rates, and this is actually going to go, it's not going down, it's going down, if you know what I'm saying. It's happening. It is a happening, and it is happening. It is Friday, July 12th, and this market is off to the races. We have now inched our way up another 350 points from yesterday's monumental close. We've inched our way up 313 points above the 3,000 in the S&P. That's significant. We have a significant close. Volume a little bit anemic. Now, one little tidbit that I'm going to leave you with because I'm pretty burnt out for the week. A major week, cooperative week for me, the Einstein of Wall Street, and the traders that I work with. So, since 1980, the Fed has lowered interest rates while markets were breaking records. Historically counterintuitive, but historically something that has happened. 17 times since 1980 have they lowered interest rates when markets were at highs, and the market going forward went up double digits in the year to follow. Every single time. That's the tidbit I'm leaving you with. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll pick it up again next week. There's always two choices, guys. Either we're going to forge higher, people are going to put money back to work, the shorts are going to cover, and we go off to the races, or we're going to slow down, we're going to get patient, we're going to consolidate and watch what happens coming into the lowering interest rates coming into the end of the month. All that being said, it's me inside Wirtschaft, NYSEinstein, the Einstein of Wall Street, signing off from the stock exchange at the end of the trading day on July 12th from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you Monday.